We're here fishing at the Edith Springs caravan park. There's usually some barramundi, is it?
Yeah.
There's usually some barramundi in here, but because of the cooler weather, apparently, I don't know what they're talking about with cooler weather, it's bloody hot, but they go hiding. So there hasn't been many around recently, but we'll see if we get any luck. It's nice and beautiful and peaceful here on the water. No saltwater crocs, but a few freshies apparently. We might go for a swim later. Are you snagged, right? So this is our campsite here at Edith Springs Caravan Park. Just having some nibblies and drinks. And we're right on the river here. It's beautiful. Riley's there chopping some wood. We've got the car all nicely set up. Our swimming ring's out. We've been in for a swim. Very peaceful.
Oh.
These are the lures that I rescued from the crocodile-infested waters.
Yeah, look at the size of that bad boy. It's going to catch us a big barra. It's going to catch us a small barra.
Yeah.
And then I've got another $100 of lures sitting in the car that I paid for. When Amber could have just swum for some.
Yep, I'm your lifesaver.
Yep.
Look at this, we're at Materanka Thermal Pool.
Oh, no it's not.
What an oasis.
Oh, sorry.
It is really lovely and warm. It's a bit like a bath actually.
Back in my brain because my watch says 360.
And it's very clear. Hey guys, do you want to pop your head underwater and I'll video you?
Okay.
Okay, I'm going down. There you go.
Open my eyes.
Yeah, beautiful.
Expectations of my coffee art? The reality. No consistency here. It's either one or the other. We're having our breakfast here at Edith Springs on the lake. We've been for a sunrise swim, haven't we, Rye?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
We woke up early and went for a swim.
Yeah, we're having some pancakes with some leftover butterscotch sauce from last night's sticky date pudding and some coffees. Yeah, man. Then we're going to head to Edith Falls.
And nothing's coming out. And
You want to video it?
It's charging me. And when I press it, it's not even fuel coming out. That's messed up.
We shouldn't have done it. So we've just been sitting at our campsite for the past hour, so bloody hot, couldn't do anything. It's like 37 degrees or something, we were dying. And then we decided to actually get up and go for a swim, and I don't know why we didn't come here earlier. Look at this place. It is so beautiful. It's so refreshing, isn't it, Marg?
It's amazing.
Oh,
We're alive now.
all our moods instantly went up after we hopped in here.
What were we sitting up there for?
I know. It's so nice in here. Nice to have the floaty and swim around. It's such a big pool. It's just beautiful.
It takes your breath away.
Wow. How cool is this?
I know.
It's awesome. This pool is bloody massive. Look at the size of it. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. I'm so glad we came here. Riley wants to show everyone something.
What is this, science trick?
What he could do with this rock.
Look at my rock.
Okay. Now watch
Watch the edges.
as the wetness retracts before our very eyes.
This is in super slow motion, just so you can actually capture it with the naked eye.
It's actually pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty quick too. I probably shouldn't have done so much. Oh, well actually it speeds up at the end.
Yeah, wow. Look at it go.
Wow.
Do I keep recording?
Yeah, record. We gotta get 4 of these on camera
What?
so that people believe us. Whoa, oh look at the end. Wow. Crazy. Oh. Oh, is there going to be satisfaction at the end, or am I going to throw it away before that? Oh, getting close. Get that close. I'll let the sun still get on it. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Wow. Good morning. We're here doing an early walk to the top pools at Edith Falls. We got up early for this one, but we slept in a bit. We're meant to leave at 6:30, but we left at 7. I don't think I slept much last night at all because it was so bloody hot. But Riley slept good.
I slept great, yeah.
Yeah, and
I can handle the heat a little bit better than Amber.
Riley's parents left before us. I think they left at 6. But yeah, we're off now. Gonna catch up maybe. Nitmiluk National Park, Edith Falls, and it was so awesome. I reckon that's my favourite national park we've been to so far.
It was, Hill was absolute, Hill was mad, but then Nitmiluk had both a similar style gorge to Hill, and then it also had a waterfall on the other side of the park, so it was just hectic, and that's by far, I've never seen a waterfall like that where you've got a 150 metre wide swimming pool in front of it, you've got to swim across to actually get to it.
Yeah, the pool was massive in front of all 3 of the waterfalls. It was beautiful. It was, I reckon the best one we've been to. It was hot, but the water was the perfect temperature. Not too cold, not too warm, just refreshing.
And it's definitely starting to heat up now.
And it's just going to get hotter from here.
We're like arriving in Darwin today, so it'll be the most north of the trip will be for the whole time, I guess.
Yeah, it's been like 37, 38 degree days, and it's going to get hotter and drier, and we're heading north and then west, so we're not avoiding the heat, but we're avoiding the crowds. There was barely anyone at the national park this week when we've been there. Like most waterfalls we had to ourselves. It was really good. Yeah. So we're going to meet Riley's parents up in Darwin. Bit of a drive today, 3 hours, but it's good.
Deep.
224 kilometers to Darwin. On the road again. This is where we're staying for the next 4 nights in Darwin, in this holiday house with Riley's parents. We are stoked. Got a proper sized kitchen. Here's our bed, which is already a bloody mess already, washing. Dining room. And the best bit, what we need in this weather, a pool. We're so excited to jump in there and cool off. Oh my goodness. Yes. How good is this, right?
Yeah, it is so great.
This is awesome.
I know we love living in the Troopy, but we're pretty excited to stay in a bed.
Yeah.
That was big enough for both of us and a third person if we wanted.
Yeah, I haven't slept well the past few nights in the Troopy, so I'm keen for a sleep in the air-conned room.
It's been stinking hot lately, and we got aircon and a fan. Yeah, and we've got a bathroom we can use that's not a public toilet.
Yeah, it'll be great.
Showers.
We
got a pool.
Yeah, can't wait.
Yeah.
How good? So this is Berry Springs. Beautiful. What have we got, Rai?
We have got food.
Slovaki, Greek food. And what was this, Chinese food, I think? We've got lots of foods and we're in Darwin, Australia. Got some cookies and cream churros. Yum yum. We're here having a drink at the sailing club in Darwin. Can't really see Riley because that sun is setting beautifully over the water. We don't usually see that at home. Looks good. That is stunning. How good does this look? Yummo. Looks awesome. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Yummo. And what a view we got. Wow.
Can you see that?
He is coming out.
Is that a fish?
Yeah,
That's a
he's
fish.
emptying the hole.
With his mouth.
And what's it doing? It's moving on the wall.
It's doing a burrow.
How can it walk?
With
What
its
the
little
heck?
flippers.
Use its flippers to.
That's so
It's
cool.
a walking fish.
I wonder if they've got ability to just hold their breath or something. Is that why they...
Gills.
Whoa, that's so cool.
But like you would think he would just dump it, then quickly jump back in.
Okay, the little one.
Yeah, another one.
These are the World War II oil tunnels in Darwin. These tunnels are all hand carved by local guys. Don't know how they did it. Oh my goodness.
Dug it out. This is concrete.
They dug it out and this is concrete. Oh. Well, still a lot of digging.
So there's 635 mil of concrete on the walls.
Yeah, wow. Let's take a look.
That's it. Look how big that is.
Whoa. We've got our espresso martinis here.
And they are the best.
We're having a bit of a pool party this afternoon.
Yeah.
What do we do today, Rye?
We started off the day a little bit slow, just chilling out in our awesome holiday house. Then headed down to the mangrove boardwalk, which we saw a few mud skippers and some big red clawed crabs.
Oh yeah, cool.
And then headed to the museum and art gallery in Northern Territory, which was bloody awesome. It showed us all this Aboriginal art, which was absolutely incredible. Then we went through this kind of display cases of all the animals of the area, which I just thought was so cool. The way they laid it out was mad. We kind of had a trip into the past about Cyclone Tracy and learn about that.
Yeah, that was
mad.
awesome.
Yeah.
They have like a simulation room for it too.
Yeah, displaying how loud it was, and then finished it. Then saw a bunch of boats from the 1900s, and then finished it off learning about the tribe. What was that called?
In Arnhem Land.
In Arnhem
People
Land.
in Arnhem Land.
Yeah, slowly kind of
The community evolving.
Yeah.
into
It was awesome. Definitely recommend going there if
Yeah.
you're in Darwin.
100%.
And we're going to enjoy our nibblies by the pool.
Yeah.
Steve's over there.
Cool.
Yeah. Barbecue tonight.
Yeah.
Get on. Wow, what a man. If you were looking closely, you can see the ground moving. There are lots of little crabs running around. Standing in the water at Lee Point in Darwin at the beach. Are we scared of crocs?
No way, Jose.
Oh, big talk.
Yeah, I'll swim and fight one if I have to.
Are you scared of crocs, Steve?
No, because you guys have got a disaster plan when it happens.
Yeah, if Riley gets attacked.
You're jumping on its back.
Yeah.
Marg's gouging its eyes.
Yeah. Marg's on croc watch. I think you'd see him coming from a mile away, but we don't want to be those tourists, do we? No. But the water's beautiful. Nice to see the coast again after being inland. Wow. Yeah, long way the tides go. Swimming in the Timor Sea. Show us how you do it.
Swimming in the Timor Sea when there's no
Don't go too far, Steve. Don't go too far. Okay, come back.
It's like 40 degrees in there. It's so warm.
Was it worth it?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Wow, you've cheated death. Cheated death.
Amber's got it back to the water. That's
Oh yeah. Always watching. And Marg wants to get a photo with this bottle tree, and it just so happens it's out the front of these rich people's house.
Look at that.
So they've gone in their garden to get a photo. Quick run! But look at that house though. Pretty cool. Now this is Lake Alexander. I think it's a man-made lake in Darwin that you can swim in. So I wasn't game enough to swim at the beach, so I'm gonna go swimming in here. No crocs in there. Woohoo! Our last sunset with the Gibsons in Darwin. Listening to some live music and watching the sunset. How beautiful.
G'day.
It's our last day in the house in Darwin today.
Yeah, we're excited to get back in the troopy, but we're also devo because we've got like a toilet right there, showers, washing up, a dishwasher,
An aircon.
a pool,
And a
aircon, a queen size bed. Is that what
We've
they
been
call it?
living it up, yeah.
Yeah,
But we're excited to go back in the troopy.
but yeah, we've got
Get on the beach.
yeah, and Darwin's been sick, and I'm so glad my parents could make it up because it was so much fun with them. Yeah, we had an absolute ball. Amber made fun of me last night after they left. She said I was tearing up, but
Yeah. It was good having them here. Now
Yeah.
we're going to enjoy our pancakes and coffee.
yep, toodaloo.
You enjoying that, right?
It's not, my hair doesn't touch it.
Bye, house. And hello, troopy. Get off my...